severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, eastern Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas, until 9 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of St. George, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Manhattan, Wamego, Onega, St. George, Emmett, Louisville, and Havensville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning